Hi, this is Marissa from Attio, and this video will demonstrate how to use insight reports. Let's start with a quick recap of what an insight report is. Insight reports give you a real-time snapshot of your business. This means that they show your data exactly as it is at the moment that you open the report. Insight reports give you a flexible canvas to plot attributes on a chart. First, you choose your metric that you'd like to plot. So here I'd like to report on the total open revenue across our deal object. So here is the total dollar value of all deals ever created. If I stopped here, I could save this single value as a report on my dashboard. But I want to choose an attribute to group my data by. So this will be on the x-axis of my chart. So I'm selecting sales stage, and I can see the current value of each of our pipeline stages. The metric, which is the total dollar value, is my y-axis. And my goal here is to report on open pipeline, so I will hide the closed won and closed lost stages. Next, I'll add a segment by attribute to show the composition of each of these bars. In this case, I'll add the owner to see how much each of our AEs are contributing to our open pipeline. And finally, you can use filters on any report type in Attio to narrow down the records included in the report. So here we will just filter by deals that are owned by our AEs on our US team to just show our US pipeline. Some other examples of popular insight reports are how many new customers are in each stage of your onboarding pipeline, how many customers churned and for what reasons, and how many new workspace signups you've had each week. All of these examples use different data types on the x-axis, which is possible in insight reports because you can choose which attribute to group your data by. So for example, the sales and onboarding reports are both grouped by a status attribute. In this case, it is the deal stage, and in this case, it's the onboarding stage. For the workspace signups example, we're using the created at attribute, which is a system-generated date attribute. And this works well because a workspace record is automatically created via our segment integration when a new account is created in our platform. If you were logging a sign-up date, for example, or any other custom date attribute, then you could also use that in an insight report to create a time series report. And that's everything you need to get started with insight reports. They're a powerful way to get real-time answers to key business questions, whether you're tracking deal progress, onboarding flow, user sign-ups, or churn reasons. In the next video, we will explore historical and funnel reports in more detail so you can choose the right format for your goals.